We've got a brand new planing form from Larry Swearingen, just arrived. It's extremely well boxed up, plywood on the top and bottom, looks like white pine on the sides. Let's open it up and have a look at it. Well padded. Larry's even inletted the top cover and provided me with a couple of Allen wrenches to adjust the form. Very nice, Larry. Okay, it might take a little bit to get this out of here. All right, let's lift this planing form out of the crate. Set it down right here and get our shipping crate out of the way. Okay, I've got Larry's planing form all cleaned up. Put it in a cradle that I normally use for planing. Larry's form is right at 6 feet, 72 inches long. You're using 3/4 inch bar stock. Let me turn that around. So the form is about 1.5 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch deep. He's got the butt groove on one side, and on the other side he's got the tip groove. Looks like when the planing form is completely closed, it's going from about 150 thousandths at the butt end all the way down to around 80 thousandths or so at the ferrule station. I've taken the planing form, turned it over. We've got the tip groove or smaller groove up at this point. Just overall, Larry's workmanship is excellent. You can focus over here and see that the pull screw, it's got bronze washer, and there is the dowel, and then on the other side is the push screw. On Larry's form, the tip groove starts at about 1/10 of an inch, 100 thousandths, and goes all the way down to about 25 thousandths at the tip end, which is just what you want. So what I'm going to do next in the next video is take these two sections and plane them down. These are both tip sections. I'm going to plane them down. I've got a little job going here right now. It's a 3-piece for a 4-weight, I believe. So we're going to use Larry's form and see what we get planing these two tip sections down to final dimensions.